Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Mazda 6 Maintenance Light Reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, the home button and the scroller. Keep in mind the scroller, also enter, you can press on it, and it can also go left, right, up and down. Okay, we're going to use all that. Okay, we're going to be using this screen right here. So go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Fun fact, this particular car, the customer has turned off the warning lights for maintenance completely, so that he doesn't have a light on every time he needs maintenance. And for some people, if the car don't give them a warning light, they won't change oil, and that's bad. So I'm going to show you how to turn on the system, turn it on and off the system, and then if it's on, then I'll show you how to reset it. Okay, now go ahead and use the scroller and go to application, enter on it, go down, scroll down to vehicle status monitor, enter on that, go down to maintenance, enter on that, and scroll down to oil change, enter on that. Now as you can see, everything is turned off. It says off on the right side, and go ahead and enter on it. And when you turn it on, this screen shows a lot of options, but now it's off, so it's not showing anything. Go ahead and enter on the setting interval, and you would come here, and as you can see, the word off is highlighted. Now to turn it on, go to fix, enter on it, and it'll take you back to this page where you can reset it. Now you go ahead and when you have it on, when you want to reset it, go ahead and go down to reset and click on reset, and scroll to reset, click on that, and you will be done. Now if you want to turn it off, which I don't recommend, go ahead and go to scroll up to setting interval, click on that, go down to off, and click on off, and turn to off, click on that, and your warning system has been turned off. So that is how you do it on this particular car. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.